sir. Do you have a moment to... Oh my God, it's R&R Matt 2!
R&R Matt who? Look, buddy, I think you got the wrong house or you're mistaking me. I don't know who the hell that is.
Wait a minute. You're metal for Matt, man.
Listen, buddy, I don't know what the hell you're talking about. My name is Hammy Hooker.
Yeah, that's right. You're Hammy Hooker, the guy who loves to double pump the deli.
I don't know nothing about pumping no deli. Sir, I pump concrete. I work at Bremick Concrete Pumping and Conveying. You may have heard of them.
Nah, man, I swear to God, you sold me a headlamp back in the old high school days for $1,075 and 3/4 of a half cent.
I've never even owned a headlamp.
Yeah, man, you used to go by Gus Gustafson back in the old days, and you sold me this here headlamp. I still have it, and it still even works.
I never sold no headlamps. I mean, I used to sell some drugs back in the night. I might have sold you some of them.
Wait a second. Yeah, you're Marty McGillicuddy. Come on, man, we used to be on the same bowling league with you, me, Denny Lane, back in '79.
What fucking year were you born?
1948.
Chip?
No, man, it's just a fake beard. They call me Clamps.
Look here, Clamps. That's a hell of a jacket. But I got a really busy day. So, if you ain't got anything for me, I should probably be getting back to it.
Well, I guess I'll just have to take this here natty ice and drink it by myself.
Well, how the hell you doing? Why don't you just come on inside? I mean, you should have brought up the natty ice earlier. Well, I just thought you were some Jehovah Witness here. I didn't know you had natty. You should have just said that earlier. I mean, come on.
I mean, I'm sorry, man. I just didn't know.
Well, I was just wondering how the hell you're doing, you know?
Yeah, man, it's been a while since I've seen y'all guys.
It's been a while, yeah.
Man.
Oh, don't even get me started on double pumping that deli.
Double pump? I knew you liked double pumping them delis.
You ever triple pumped?
No, I have not. Have you?
This Friday. What are you doing?
Oh, yeah, bro!
Woo!
Woo! My head kind of hurts. They call me Clamps.
Damn it. Shoved up your ass when you're trying to build a puzzle. You know, it ain't gonna work without that last piece. So that's why you need everything. You know what I mean? Matty Daddy 316 here. I never sold no headlamps. I mean, I used to sell some drugs back in the night. I might have sold you some of them. Sell some drugs, sell some drugs back in the night. I might have sold you some of them. Bleeding from my fucking skull.
How'd you be bleeding from your skull?
Some punk bitch tried to start some shit with me.
Who?
This motherfucker named Steven X.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
I used to finish it.
That's weird. Because I'm pretty sure you're the one that's bitching.
Oh yeah.
And I am Lil Stevie Nicks, so Roller Bang Gang. Fuck plus ones, bunch of bitches, what's up?
Yeah. You can maybe figure out how to control that. Point the camera towards me. The name's Matty Daddy 316.
Yeah,
And
aka
he definitely
little bitch.
He definitely didn't whoop my ass. Because
yeah, Lil Stevie Nicks did. I guess I'll just have to take this here natty ice and drink it by myself.
Whoa! I don't care about that natty, but bring your sweet back ass. Fuck.